Looking up total sales by sales dates using the VLOOKUP function. Very simple, very straightforward. Let me show you what we're doing here. We have a list that has sales dates, stores, item, sold, unit price, and total. Do we care about any of that? No. We want to know sales on a particular date, and then if we find that information, we want the total. If not, we want something else. So you can see how many problems you can run into because if there's not an accurate sales date, there could be a problem. And because I have this or random setup, there could be problems. So you're going to see this setup with an if error because I don't want the NA error. And because it's random, you're going to see the outcome. So 4/4/2029, is it in this list? No. And if it's not in the list, what's going to happen? It's going to throw an NA error. All I did is I put if error. We're just going to say shop closed. You can put anything you want here, but this if error and this shop close function is not necessary. This is just to clean it up, to make your life a little easier and for me to explain this. But let's get to the meat and potatoes here. The VLOOKUP, it's really simple. What are we doing? We're looking up a date. That's going to be our lookup value. Where? Well, we're going to look across this entire array or this list. We're going to see if there's a date. If there's a date, we're going to go over and what do we want? We want total. How do we get the total? We have to recognize the column number. So we always start here at the left and go 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5, column 6. We're going to enter that into column number 6. And we want an exact match. Remember, 1 is not an exact match. 1 is an approximate match. 0 is an exact match. So 0 is false, 1 is true. I didn't write these rules, okay? So that's it. If a shop's closed, it's going to say shop closed. Otherwise, you're going to see we have to keep doing F9 until we find a date that works. So we go 4/27, look at the list, look for 4/27. Here it is, and it says 17/161. That's the lookup. What may be challenging is the dates, and don't let the dates intimidate you. It's just another bit of information, and then remember to count your columns, and then whether it's an approximate match. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.